Hi, hello guys. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about top 5 world records by the year of 2020. So guys, this is a log of world records built on 3x3 Rubik's Cube on the site of World Cube Association. So guys, you could easily notice that the last person in this log even has a world record of 7.27 seconds. And these people are the first 5 world record holders of the world. Now let's see the world records of them. Number 5. Max Park, world record of 4.4 seconds.
What is it? Oh my god. What is it? I think it's NAR? NAR.
Number 4. Nicolas Sanchez, world record of 4.38 seconds. Number 3. Patrick's world record of 4.24 seconds.
Dana Yee, 18. Yes! Hey, Max!
Number 2. Felix Zimberg's world record of 4.16 seconds.
Come on, get us up 5.
Number 1. Yusheng Du, world record of 3.47 seconds. So guys, what do you think about today's video? If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you want to follow our YouTube channel, please subscribe. See you in my next video.